There are two types of drills. There is the normal drill, and then there's the impact driver. These are what most people refer to. This right here is the most traditional drill that people have been using for years and years. And you have different drill modes. You have your low setting, your high setting, and what you have here is a driver bit, magnetic bit holder. You simply put a bit on there, Phillips bit, whole assortment of bits, flathead bit. And here it's magnetic, so it locks in place. And how to use this is you have a forward setting right there, and you have a sensor setting which locks it in place. Trigger does not work. You have a backward setting. Sorry, that was the forward setting. That's the reverse setting. You have your battery meter here, and pull the battery right out. Charge your battery in your charger, and what you do is these numbers represent different amounts of torque and strength. So the lower the number, the lower the torque. So that means when you go to drive this into solid wood, if it's on a lower setting, it will kind of lock itself out and not allow it to continue drilling any further. It's almost like a way to measure torque settings. So if you want to really drill all the way through a solid piece of wood, that's the drilling mode, the screw mode, something else. You have the flashlight. This right here, to pull this out, this driving bit out, go into the reverse setting. You hold this, put your hand right here on the chuck, and you hold. It opens this piece up so that you can insert different types of bits into it. So go back to the forward setting, and it closes it up to lock things in place. I'll open back up. Well, you can use almost anything in here that fits in here and locks in place. So here we have another assortment, another type of bits with hex. And here I have a drilling bit. Lock that into place. Go. See, it's a little stuck right there. Reverse it. Align it properly. Going slowly as you go in. Now, if you really want to lock in place, you can just lock it with your hand. It's locked in place, or you could put it to the center mode and then just move your hands and lock it in place. Now it's locked in place. It's used. This right here is another very popular type of drill. This is called an impact driver. However, on the impact driver, you cannot insert drilling bits as in the circular mode. It's made to be used with bits like this that have the indentation and hex. Put into there, lock into place, does not move. As well, flashlight, forward, reverse. This one has a battery indicator, and this one has different speed settings and power setting. 1 being weaker, 3 being the strongest. The different bits you can attach to this are driving bits, magnetic bit drivers, their indentation, locks in place. This right here is pretty great to use with this one. It has a 3/8 hex head, and you can attach sockets into here. Push it in, locks into place. This is unique because it has a wobble feature. So it's locked in place, pull it out a little bit, and now has an angle. It's slanted at an angle, so you can take something out at an angle. Also, this has an impact. It's called impact driver because it has a little hammering type of feature inside. So say you want to drive this lag bolts into a solid piece of wood. This one would have the strength to just push this bolt all the way through, no hesitation. However, this one you would have to drill a hole into the wood and then drive it in with a say a ratchet and a socket to drive it all the way through. So since this one cannot enter a regular circular into this impact driver, they have other impact driving bits like this one right here. It's Milwaukee. It has the indentation. Insert it in, lock it in, and it's in place. It's a magnetic bit holder. So what it does is put it through the center of this. That's it. Now it has magnetization features. So say you want to make this lock into the screw. Drive this to there. Magnetic feature still not magnetic enough to hold the screw in place, so it still falls out. Put this into the magnetic slot, magnetize it, and now it has magnetic capabilities. Less likely to fall on you as you're using it. You want to demagnetize it, slide it along the side, and now it no longer has any magnetization. But let me show you how this drill would drive into this piece of wood. Here's the lag bolt. I'll grab one of these, which one it fits into. Alright, it fits into here. Grab my impact driver. Use this right there. This is a very great tool set. The magneticness of it. 1/4 inch is the most common size people use. So put it on my strong setting. Setting 3. Go directly into the piece of wood. You're gonna have to apply some force as you're pushing this in. It doesn't just go in on its own. You have to apply some of your hand and some of your weights. As you can see, it went all the way through, no hesitation, in a matter of seconds. I could have gone faster, but I just took it easy. Pull it back out. Since extreme friction is applied, it is extremely hot. You don't want to touch it. It's very hot. So if I wanted to drive that bolt into wood, I would take, with this traditional drill, you have to take a drilling bit, drive a hole into the wood. As you can see, it was also still very fast. Grab the screw, lag bolts, and grab my ratchet, appropriate socket size, and just drive it in. As you can see, you can still get the job complete with this. It's just nowhere near as fast as it is with the impact driver. But they all have their different reasons to be used. And if you ever want to interchange any tools or bits with these drills, you can. So anything fits on here. I can attach this piece right here. This is a 1/2 inch. I can attach this piece right here, the 3/8. The only things that lock onto this gun, onto this drill, are anything with that little indentation right there, hex and indentation. Lock that into place. As well, use 3/8 sockets. Here's hex keys. There's a whole assortment of different tools to use to complete the job quicker and faster. Slantiness. This right here is also a drill bit wobble holder, and it fits on both with the hex indicator. Locks into place, nice and straight. Pull it out, and it has a span safe. If you guys like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below.